All right, and then the last little menu item here is vehicles. So here that gives you the ability to search for vehicles. So let's go look for TED 123. And up pops TED 123. Now there's, let me just try another plate here because I want to see if I can get some more information on the screen here for you. All right. Okay, so we're searching a specific plate. Now the perform a fuzzy search. If I don't know if you know that sometimes in character recognition, the 8 might be a B or something like that. So let's say if I made this a B, I think this should work. It's going to try to find the plate, even though it's found a plate that's close.
So it gives you close hits as well.
Yeah, then. Exactly. So that's the fuzzy search. Now you can also search between a specific date range. So if you wanted to see if this vehicle was on your main street or something, and you've captured it in your system between January 1st and January 15th, for example, you could do that. Again, because you're doing a search here, you have a whole whack of information that you can glean from this. So we see the pay station parking status. So if we did have a validated plate in here, that we have the validator in the system, you'd see that come up as a validated plate. If you had pay-by-plate systems in your and around your town, you'd be able to bring those pay station pieces of information in here. And then you're also going to see what we call the LPR recognition. So these are captures from a camera, but it could also be captures from the handheld.
Yeah.
Okay. Again, you have the same kind of information on the vehicle that we had on the user search, where you can see the history of the vehicle. You can actually look at the vehicle information. You can see that what they have, and you can also get to the user's profile, etc. There's an indication here the person has a permit, so you can actually look at their permit. You can see that they have 2 permits, actually, staff 1000 and 51.
Yeah.
And you can also go to the user profile again. Okay. You also have the ability again to email the user directly, and you have the ability to look at their violations. So in this case, we can look at all 10 violations. So this will basically go to the violations search and pull up all the violations for that user. Okay, and the last thing in here, I can actually enter a violation for this user directly from the admin side. So that little plus sign that you see here allows you to actually create a new violation.